Okay, here are the ingredients for my Daniel Fast smoothie recipe. You're going to need one citrus fruit. I like to use a grapefruit, or you can also use lemon, orange, mandarin oranges, anything citrus that you have in season. Then I use 3 apples. I like to use 3 green apples, but you can also use red apples. 8 dates that are pitted, and then 2 to 4 cups of baby spinach. I like to buy the baby spinach that's already been washed. It makes this really easy to prepare the smoothie. And then you're just going to want some raw almond butter that has no salt added. Okay, the first step in making this smoothie is to bring a pot of water to boil and then place your dates in the hot water to soak for a few minutes. This helps them turn into a nice creamy puree. This is optional, but I really find that it's best for making the smoothie if the dates have been soaked for a little bit. So just let the dates soak for about 10 minutes and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, our dates have finished soaking, so now I'm going to cut our apples. I like to keep all the skin on the apple, and I'll show you how I cut them. Just cut them in half, then into quarters, and then I cut at a diagonal, and that's how I get the core out of the apple. So I'm going to do that to all 3 apples, and then I'm going to place them into the blender, just kind of whole like this. So 1, 2, I like to use a serrated knife for this because it makes it really easy to cut really quickly. The serrated part of the knife is kind of like teeth, and it bites right into the apple, making it just really simple instead of using a straight blade knife. Okay, next I'm going to cut the peel off of my citrus fruit. This is a grapefruit. So I'm just going to cut the top off, the bottom. Whenever you're cutting, it's important to use something called the claw. You don't want to have your fingers out like this while you're cutting, because then you can cut your fingernail and your finger off. So instead you use what's called the claw, and that's how you hold a big piece of citrus like this. Now that I've cut the top off and the bottom off, I have a flat surface so that it doesn't roll around. Next, I'm just going to cut all the peel off of the citrus fruit. It's okay to have the pith on the fruit because it blends in really nicely to the smoothie, and there's a lot of nutrition in the pith as well. Then I go ahead and just quarter this and throw the whole citrus into the blender, like that. Okay, next I'm going to take my almond butter. I'm going to scoop out 4 tablespoons of the almond butter into the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next what I do is I just take as much spinach as I can and I put all of that I can fit into the blender. Kind of press it in. This way I get as much spinach as I can into this smoothie. Okay, that's about 2 cups. Usually it's about 2 to 4 cups of spinach that I can fit into the blender. Okay, next I'm going to put water in here, and then we're going to put it into the blender. All right, let's look inside. Yum. And there it is. Next, I'm just gonna take 2 glass jars and pour this smoothie into there. It's gonna make about 8 cups of smoothie. You guys can watch and see how well I can pour. Oh, that's okay. A little bit of a clump. All right, I even have leftover, so I'll probably drink that now. And that's the Daniel Fast smoothie. Yum.